CSA of cylinder is 88 centimeters square. Its height is also given. What is the value of H? The height is also given, that is 14 centimeters. What we need to find out? We need to find out the diameter. But before that, we have to find out the radius. We cannot directly find out the diameter. We will use the formula. CSA of cylinder. What is the formula to find out the CSA of cylinder? That is equal to 2 pi RH. We have the CSA of cylinder, that is 88, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. We have to find out the value of R multiplied by, what is the value of H? 14. So here this cancel, 7 ones are 7, 2s are. Whatever the remaining is, take on the left hand side. This will become 88 divided by 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2, and that is equal to R. 2 ones are 44, 22, 2s are 2 to get cancelled. So the value of R will be, 1 centimeter. Okay, so the value of R will be 1 centimeter. We need to find out the diameter. So R is equal to 2 into, diameter is equal to, diameter is double of radius. So the value of D will be 2 multiplied by 1. So we can say that here the diameter is 2 centimeter. So we can say that here the diameter is 2 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, we need to solve the second one, that is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheets are required for the same? Okay, here also use the formula of CSA. Here also use the formula of CSA and find out how much area of paper is required. How much area of paper is required? Okay, this is also simple formula. This is also simple example, question number 2, which you need to perform from your homework. Hopefully you understand whatever we had seen up to now. Now we are going to write down all these things in your notebook. Then after, question number 3, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is, 4 centimeter and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find out the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So this is also a simple example. The height of pipe is already given, that is 77 centimeter. Let us write down the things which are given, then after solve the example. So this is the figure of a cylinder in which inner diameter is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter, and that is equal to 4.4 centimeter. The height of, say this already given, the height of metal pipe is 77 centimeter. What we need to find out, first thing, inner curved surface area of metal pipe, inner curved surface area of metal pipe. So simply, as here the inner diameter is 4 centimeter, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, and that is equal to 4 by 2. So we can say that radius equal to 2. So the value of R is 2. Use the formula for CSE we are using the formula 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Here the radius is 2 and the height is 77. So this will become 7 ones are 7 11s are, okay, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 22, okay. 22 into 22, that is equal to 484. 2 multiplied by 484, and that is multiplying this 8 2 is 69. So we can say that the inner curved surface area of a metal is 968 centimeters square. This is the first answer. Similarly, we will find out the second one. What we need to find out? The outer curved surface area of a cylinder. We need to find out the outer curved surface area of cylinder. That is equal to, instead of R, that is 2 centimeter, we will use the value of R, that is the outer diameter is 4.4, so its radius will be 2.2. Instead of inner, we would like to write down outer surface area of pipe, that is equal to 2 pi RH. The value will be, the value of R is equal to 4.4 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2.2 centimeter. That is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Substitute here. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 2.2 multiplied by what is the value of H? 77. Again here 7 ones are 7 11s are, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 22 by 10 multiplied by 11. 22 multiplied by 11. Now this is equal to, this will become again 2 into 11, that is 22. 2 into 11, that is 22. So we can say that 22 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 22 divided by 10. So this is equal to 484 multiplied by 22 divided by 10. Simplify this. 484 multiplied by 22 divided by 10. That is equal to 484 multiplied by 22. 10,648. 10,648. So our answer will be 10,648 divided by 10. Division will become 1648 centimeters square. So we can say that the outer surface area of the outer surface area is 1604.8. Okay, 1604.8 centimeters square. The third thing which we need to find out TSA. The third thing which we need to find out the TSA, that you need to perform from your homework.